Lessons learned is the practice of capturing what the team and stakeholders discovered during the project so future projects benefit. Run a lessons learned workshop. Invite the team, key stakeholders, and the sponsor. Ask 3 questions. What went well? Keep doing. What didn't go well? Stop or fix. What should we try next time? Start. Capture every point, no judgment at this stage. Cluster themes: planning, people, process, tools, communication. Agree actions with owners and dates. Share with the wider PMO so the whole organization benefits. Make it safe. Focus on systems and decisions, not on blame. Sponsor or PM should go first with their own lessons. This models openness. Try this. Run a 30-minute personal retrospective on a project you have done. Capture at least 3 keep, 3 stop, fix, and 3 start items. Note who would own each action in a real organization.